Hello my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a minion, specifically Stuart. These are the colors that you'll be needing: gray, white, yellow, black, blue, brown, a pencil, some paper, and your fingers. Oh my goodness, minions are so cute, but we're only going to do Stuart today, the one with the one eye who likes to play guitar. So let's jump into this. I'm gonna take the blue and some of this gray, and I'm gonna make his overalls first, because when you mix blue and yellow, it makes green, so I wanna make sure that I don't do any green on our minion. So I'm gonna start by making kind of like a square. So I'm gonna do 2 lines, like so, and take them across. Mixing the blue and the gray helps to make a fun blue jean color to go along with his little minion overalls. So cute. All right, so I'm gonna do another line at the bottom, and I'm gonna use the curve of my finger, and I'm just going to put one little like fingerprint on either side that is going to create just his little round hips, like so. And he's gonna have his little legs underneath, so I'm gonna do another little swipe underneath. 1 and 2 for his legs, his little boots. In fact, we're gonna dip into the black right now, and I'm gonna do his boots. I'm gonna do the boots before we do his body. Why not? Let's just get them in there. He's got his little boots. His little boots. Let's just make sure that those are nice and in there. All right, so I'm gonna clean off my finger with a little bit of water and wipe it off really well. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into our yellow. This is going to be our minion part. All right, so minion, especially Stuart, has a round top of the head, like so. You can actually, sometimes this paint's a little thick, so I'm gonna thin it out with a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna take it down. Make his little minion body. So go right up to that, right up to our overalls. Right there, but I don't want to color over the overalls. I just want to go right up to it. All right, and go back into our yellow. I'm going to make sure that I leave a big old spot right at the top for where his eye is going to be, his little eye. And we're going to color in right down to the tops of his overalls, using our finger. Just simple, thinking about coloring in. If we color over it just a little bit, it's okay. I'm gonna actually also do his arms, because let's make him celebrate. Stuart is celebrating. So 1 arm there, just a little bit of paint on the side of my finger, and just drag it in. Okay, like so. Like so, not too hard. We can do this. Totally can do this. All right, I'm gonna go in and do his hands right now. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of black, little dotted black at the end of each of his arms, like so, and he's got 3 fingers. 3 fingers, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Give him a little bit more there. Okay, 3 fingers on the other hand. 1, 2, 3. He's got his little hands going. All right, and now he's gonna have his straps on his goggles, those little goggles. So we're gonna do 1 line there, and we're gonna do 1 line here of the black. Let's put his mouth hole in there too while we're at it. Let's just give him a very excited mouth. So we're just gonna do a little dot with our finger, like so. All right. And now we can move on and do his eye, which is the most discerning thing, the most definite, this is a minion thing. So we're gonna take our gray, and I'm gonna go around make kind of a circle using the gray inside this area that I left blank. And you can go right over the black. That's fine. You just want to make sure that you make a big old circle where his eye hole is going to be. Okay, and then we're going to go in with our white. I'm going to actually use my finger to kind of scrape out all the paint in the middle. Okay, I want to make sure that I can get my white inside. So making another circle inside the gray circle. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to touch into the brown because Stuart has a little brown eye. So we're going to touch into the brown. I'm going to make it nice and big, like so. Okay, and I'm going to touch into the black. All right, and I'm going to put his little black iris right in the middle of that. Okay, I'm going to use my pencil to just kind of clean up any edges, like right here. Okay, and cleaning off my pencil really well, I'm going to dip into our white. And again, I'm going to clean up any edges. So we've got a little bit of brown here that got a little extra, but I'm also going to throw our highlight onto our eye. And I'm just going to take the pencil and just drop it right there and slowly and gently pick it up. Okay, and as long as you don't have any other colors on your paint, you can throw another one if you want. I'm going to do one right here just to give him an extra little shine. Cleaning off my pencil, I'm going to throw a little bit of a shine here onto his goggles. Just touching it very lightly. Very, very lightly. Okay, now we've got a few more things left to do. One thing is he needs some straps on his overalls because otherwise they're going to fall down. We can't have that, so I'm going to just fix the bottom of this, fix the bottom of his breeches, and then I'm going to go in with my pencil and just draw a line straight from here. Okay, for one overall strap, let's do 2 overall straps. Going from the square top, we're just making a line straight out at an angle. Not too challenging. And now we're going to go in with our black and we're going to do his hair. Stuart has some really fun center parted hair. So I'm going to throw a little dot, okay, in the top of his head, not the middle, but I'm going to leave the middle blank and I'm going to put another dot on the other side. That's going to be where his hair starts. And I'm just going to draw a couple of lines going from the dot. Okay. Let's see, what else can we do? He's got a little bit of a pocket on the front of his overalls. Let's just give him his little pocket. Okay, so we're gonna make a line. And when we make pockets for overalls, sometimes you go down. So you start off making a box, thinking of a box, and then, yeah, this one has a little bit of a round bottom. A little bit of a round bottom. Like so. And then he's got his center, his little circle, little symbol in the middle. So we're just gonna make a little circle top and a circle bottom. And we're gonna throw a dot right in the middle of it. Like so. Okay. We have it, you guys. Ta-da! There you have it. There is our Stuart Minion. What do you guys think? I think he's pretty cute. He's super fun, and for a character painting, I think he came out very quickly. Characters tend to take a little bit more time because of all of the details. I think he's a lot of fun though, and I think that he's easy enough that most people would be able to make their own version of Stuart. I hope that you enjoyed painting with me today. I had a lot of fun, and until next time, sending you lots of love. Bye!